Standard 7 English Medium Subject English. Lesson number 2.1 From a Railway Carriage. Faster than ferries, faster than beaches, bridges and houses, hedges and ditches, and charging along like troops in a battle, all through the meadows, the horses and cattle, all of the sides of the hill and the plain, fly as thick as driving rain. And ever again, in the wink of an eye, painted stations whistle by. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Here is a tramp who stands and gazes, and there is the green for sighting the daisies. Here is a cart run away in the road, lumping along with man and a load. And here is a mill, and there is a river, each a glimpse, and gone forever. R. L. Stevenson.